November brings ideal weather for nurturing blossoms that brighten both indoor and outdoor spaces. With gentle sunlight and cool breezes, it's the season to fill your garden with fresh color and fragrance. Let's explore some of the best flower plants to grow this November and make your space bloom beautifully. Gerbera daisy, Gerbera jamaisoni, is a stunning flower that thrives beautifully in November's mild weather. Known for its large, colorful blooms in shades of red, pink, yellow, orange, and white, it brightens both gardens and indoor spaces. Gerberas prefer well-draining soil, ample sunlight, and moderate watering. During November, the cooler temperatures encourage strong, healthy growth and prolonged flowering. Removing faded blooms helps the plant produce more vibrant flowers. Ideal for pots, borders, or balcony planters, Gerbera daisies symbolize cheerfulness and warmth, making them perfect for adding a lively touch to your home garden throughout the cool November season. Petunia, Petunia hybrida, brings a burst of happiness to November gardens with its soft, velvety blooms in vivid hues of pink, violet, white, and crimson. Thriving in cool, sunny weather, petunias love well-drained soil and regular sunlight. They reward care with abundant flowers that brighten patios, balconies, and window boxes. Light watering and pinching off faded blooms help them bloom longer. Perfect for adding instant color to borders or pots, petunias spread charm wherever they grew. In November's gentle climate, their cheerful blossoms create a lively, fragrant display that turns even a small garden into a joyful retreat. Pansy, Viola tricolor, is a delightful cool season flower that thrives beautifully in November's mild climate. Its cheerful, velvety blooms come in stunning mixes of purple, yellow, blue, and white, often with charming faces. Pansies prefer cool temperatures, moist but well-drained soil, and plenty of morning sunlight. Regular deadheading encourages new blooms and keeps the plant healthy. Perfect for pots, borders, and window boxes, they bring color and freshness to winter gardens. In November, pansies flourish with minimal care, making them a favorite choice for gardeners who love bright, long-lasting flowers that fill the season with beauty and warmth. Chrysanthemum, Chrysanthemum morifolium, often called the Queen of Autumn, blooms gloriously in November, adding a burst of color when most flowers fade. Its daisy-like blooms appear in vibrant shades of yellow, pink, white, red, and orange. Chrysanthemums thrive in cool weather and well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight. Regular pruning and deadheading help extend their flowering period. Perfect for pots, garden beds, or as cut flowers, they bring elegance and brightness to any space. In November's crisp air, chrysanthemums reach their full splendor, symbolizing joy, longevity, and the cheerful spirit of the late-blooming season. Dahlia, Dahlia pinnata, is a magnificent flowering plant that dazzles November gardens with its bold and intricate blooms. Available in shades of red, pink, yellow, orange, purple, and white, dahlias bring dramatic color and texture to any space. They thrive in cool weather, fertile well-drained soil, and full sunlight. Regular watering and removing spent flowers encourage continuous blooming. Ideal for garden beds or large pots, dahlias create a striking focal point through late autumn. In November's pleasant climate, these vibrant blooms flourish gracefully, symbolizing creativity, inner strength, and the joy of life's most colorful moments. Geranium, Pelargonium, is a charming and versatile flowering plant that thrives wonderfully in November's mild weather. Known for its clusters of bright red, pink, white, or orange blooms and fragrant leaves, it adds a cheerful touch to balconies, windowsills, and gardens. Geraniums prefer sunny spots, well-drained soil, and moderate watering. Regular pruning and removing faded flowers keep them blooming longer. They grow beautifully in pots or hanging baskets, brightening indoor and outdoor spaces alike. During November's pleasant temperatures, geraniums reward care with vibrant color and delightful fragrance, symbolizing friendship, comfort, and a warm, welcoming home atmosphere. Aster amellus is a graceful autumn bloomer that shines brightly in November with its star-shaped flowers in shades of purple, pink, blue, and white. Thriving in cool, crisp weather, asters prefer well-drained soil and full to partial sunlight. They attract butterflies and bees, adding life to any garden. Regular watering and deadheading encourage abundant blooms. Perfect for borders, pots, or cottage-style gardens, asters bring a soft, romantic charm to outdoor spaces. In November, their long-lasting blossoms symbolize patience and love, making them a wonderful choice to extend color and warmth into the late flowering season. Verbena hybrida is a vibrant flowering plant that thrives beautifully in November's cool and pleasant weather. Its clusters of tiny, colorful blooms, ranging from purple and pink to red and white, add charm to gardens, balconies, and hanging baskets. Verbena loves full sunlight and well-drained soil, rewarding care with continuous flowering. It requires moderate watering and benefits from occasional pruning to encourage fresh blooms. Hardy yet graceful, verbena attracts butterflies and brings a lively touch to any space. In November, its long-lasting flowers symbolize happiness and healing, filling your garden with gentle color and cheerful energy. Marigold, Tagetes erecta, is one of the most popular flowering plants to grow in November, loved for its bright yellow, orange, and golden blooms. Thriving in full sunlight and well-drained soil, marigolds are easy to grow and bloom profusely through winter. They require moderate watering and benefit from regular deadheading to encourage fresh flowers. Perfect for borders, pots, and festive decorations, marigolds also help repel garden pests naturally. In November's pleasant weather, they flourish with vibrant energy, symbolizing positivity, success, and the warmth of sunshine, making them a cheerful highlight in any home or garden space. Dianthus chinensis is a delightful winter-blooming plant that thrives beautifully in November's cool and gentle climate. Its charming, frilled flowers appear in shades of pink, red, white, and purple, often with striking two-tone patterns. Dianthus prefers well-drained soil, bright sunlight, and light watering. Regularly trimming spent blooms encourages continuous flowering through the season. Compact and colorful, it's ideal for borders, pots, and rock gardens. In November, Dianthus adds a touch of elegance and fragrance to any space, symbolizing love and admiration while filling your garden with vibrant color and delicate beauty all winter long.